Fundamental theorem of calculus, part 2, also called the Leibniz Rule. Differentiate the function f of x equals the integral from x squared to x of natural log of t dt. Throughout, assume x is positive so that natural log of x makes sense. Step 1. Recall the Leibniz Rule. If big G of x equals the integral from of x to b of x of f of t dt, then the derivative g prime of x equals f of b of x times b prime of x minus f of x times a prime of x. Now, let's identify the pieces for our problem. Step 2. Plug into the formula exactly as written. F prime of x equals natural log of x times 1 minus natural log of x squared times 2x. We will simplify this next. Focus on natural log of x squared and the 2x. Step 3. Use the logarithm identity. Natural log of x squared equals 2 times natural log of x. Substitute that into our derivative to get f prime of x equals natural log of x minus 4x times natural log of x. Step 4. Factor the common term natural log of x. F prime of x equals natural log of x times left parenthesis 1 minus 4x right parenthesis. Final answer. The derivative equals natural log of x times 1 minus 4x. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on MyVerse Maths.